Hey everyone, it's Kira here and I'm going to be showing you how to use all the Saber effects on Funimate. So first I will be showing you how to use Saber borders. So what you're going to do is click Add Effect and go all the way to Saber. So the options are Burning, Saber Electric, Saber Fusion, Haze, Patronus and Neon. I will get back to Saber Line as it is a different effect. So what they do is just add borders to the edges of your image or video. So I'm just going to show you of what they look like, but for burning, I'll show you what all of the keyframes do. So glow color, you can choose the color of the border basically. I'm just going to leave it orange for now. The second option is glow intensity, which increases the amount of glow. So when it's at 0, there is no border. It's at 100, it has a really bright center. Core size is the middle of the border. So there is a thicker line when this blue does go away, which you can see, it's like a yellow. That increases and decreases with core size, which makes it brighter and more fierce. Spread increases how much glow width-wise, so you can see it starts off in one position, increases and it spreads out. Then there is glow distant amount. So again, with the distance of the actual glow, it makes it smoother or more burn-like, just like the effect. Core distant amount, you can't see this one too much, but then again with the core, if you look over here for example, you can see it has the same effect as the one before, just with the core, not the actual glow. Then there is Saber opacity, which basically decreases it and increases it, just like normal opacity. Then there is completion, which allows you to have sections of it. You can halve it and put another one. You can rotate it, all up to you. There is start offset, which kind of chooses where you would like to start and finish it. And then there is behind, to make the border behind the image itself rather than on top. So that's how to use the border Saber keyframes, but for now I will just show you what the other ones look like. There is Saber Electric. There is also Saber Fusion, Haze, Patronus, and finally Neon. Now, all of these are used in all of the Saber different keyframes, like Saber Line and Text Saber. So I'm just going to show you, for example, what Saber Line does. So this makes you able to create Saber lines and different things. So a lot of people use these to border different things within the scene. So I'm just going to quickly show you how some person would overlay a person. So what you can do is choose a start and an ending point. Now, because people obviously don't just have blocky lines, what you will do is have to create a start and an end line, then copy and paste, and then move the start line to where you finished and the end line further, and just continue this process until you finish the border of what you'd like. Now, it does take a while, but the end effect is definitely worth it, and that's how people do that. But for now, just so I can show you guys the effect and how it works, I'm just going to create a big line. Now, the types is what we showed before with the borders. So there's Burning, Electric, Fusion, Haze, Neon, and Patronus. Then again, you can change the color of the glow. Similar with the border, all these effects are the same, so I'm just going to quickly go through them. Glow intensity increases the amount of glow. Core size is the middle, increases it. Spread, how far out the glow goes. Glow distant amount creates that cool effect. Core does the same. It's a bit easier to see when there is no effect with the glow distance. If I change it to Neon or Fusion, you can probably see it a little bit easier. And then there is opacity, which actually decreases the background image, so it just gives you the line. So that is how to use those Saber effects. And finally, I will show you quickly how to use the text Saber effects. So you can see it here. And just the same, there is Burning, Electric Fusion, Haze, Neon, and Patronus. My favorite thing to do is decrease the opacity. So it has a clear middle and the border is what is with use of the Saber. I use these in basically all my edits. I love it so much. You can trial depending on the theme or the vibe of your edit. I like using various of these presets. So I hope this was helpful and can't wait to see all of your edits with all of these Saber effects. Thanks for watching.